welcome to the Blitz news channel. Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company Biological E has received WHO approval to be an additional manufacturing site for the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. See this report. Congratulating the pharma company over the same, the US Embassy in India tweeted, "Congratulations to Biological on its WHO approval as an additional manufacturing site for the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19. Great progress for the acquired vaccine and US-India health partnerships through US technical support and authority FC government financing." The tweet further said, Biological E, the manufacturer of a Corbevax vaccine, has an alliance with Johnson & Johnson on the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. The National Drugs Controller had in April this year cleared children as young as 5 years old to be vaccinated with Biological E's Corbevax. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.